I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover any photo on your iPhone as long as you've only deleted it within the past 30 days. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. Step one is to go to your Photos app. And for example, I took this picture. I'm going to go ahead and delete that right now. In order to find your recently deleted items, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see in this Utilities section, Recently Deleted. Now you will need to use your Face ID to unlock this album, so I'll click that now. Now you can see my photo recently deleted right here, and you can either click on the bottom to recover this single image, or if you have a bunch of images, you can click the Select tool and select many items all at once. Once you're ready, you can click the three dots on the bottom here, and then you can either permanently delete them or recover them. In this case, I will recover that photo, and you can see that photo is available right there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.